Today at the end of this video you will have the secrets of wealth that passed down from the ancient empires that billionaires like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Aliko Dangote, for decades have the secrets of massive wealth, which have been hidden away initially bought them at a price which was passed down through the hands of the world powerful men from the emperors to empires to the billionaires of today. However, the secrets are not meant for the public until right now where it's revealed. Today we are uncovering the ancient strategies and secrets this known men used to shape the world, and in the next 5 minutes you will unravel 5 of their major secrets. You should take note of every step as we reveal their secret that makes them part of the 1% of the powerful men in history.
Secrets of the Pharaohs.
Our journey begins in the heart of ancient Egypt, where wealth wasn't just measured in gold but in grain, land, and the power to control them. Pharaohs, seen as gods on earth, understood that true wealth came from controlling resources. They knew that he who controlled the Nile, controlled Egypt. This principle of resource control echoes through history, from the Roman Empire to the oil tycoons of today. The pharaohs mastered the art of labor management, using their vast resources to construct monumental projects like the pyramids. But their true genius lay in their ability to amass wealth by leveraging the labor of others. This concept of wealth building through others' efforts has been passed down through the ages. Today, we see it in the empires built by industrialists and tech giants, who understand that wealth grows exponentially when you multiply your efforts through others.
The Roman Empire and the art of networking. In Rome, wealth was not just about power, it was about influence. The Roman elite understood that true power came from building networks, forming alliances, and leveraging social capital. Senators, merchants, and generals created vast fortunes through strategic marriages, business partnerships, and political alliances. This ancient art of networking is a cornerstone of modern billionaire wealth. From Silicon Valley to Wall Street, connections are often more valuable than cash. Medieval Europe and the rise of banking. As we move into medieval Europe, we encounter the birth of modern banking. The Medici family in Florence understood that controlling money meant controlling power. They pioneered the concept of lending and interest, laying the foundation for modern finance. Today's billionaires, from Warren Buffett to Jeff Bezos, owe much to these early banking practices. They understand that leveraging other people's money is a key to building massive wealth. The Eastern influence, trade and investment strategies. Across the world in ancient China, wealth was built on trade. The Silk Road was more than just a trade route. It was a conduit for ideas, innovations, and wealth. Chinese merchants understood the importance of diversification, investing in different goods, and spreading risk. This strategy of diversification is alive and well today. Modern billionaires like Elon Musk and Richard Branson diversify their investments across industries, reducing risk while maximizing returns. The legacy of wealth. These ancient principles of wealth, resource control, leveraging labor, networking, banking, and diversification, have been passed down through the centuries. They've been adapted, refined, and utilized by the wealthiest individuals in history. Today's billionaires may not be building pyramids or empires in the traditional sense, but they are following the same timeless strategies that have built fortunes for thousands of years. From Bill Gates to Jeff Bezos, today's billionaires are the modern-day pharaohs, Caesars, and Medicis. They understand that wealth is more than just money. It's power, influence, and the ability to shape the future. The strategies they use may be modern, but the principles are as old as civilization itself. So, as you walk through your city, surrounded by towering skyscrapers and bustling markets, remember, those who hold the secrets of wealth are not just shaping their own fortunes, but the world we live in. And those secrets, they've been with us for millennia, passed down from the ancient powerful men to the billionaires of today. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and wealth.
If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to History Echo for more captivating stories that connect our past to the present. Until next time, keep exploring the echoes of history.